Hey friends, Fluffy here. Welcome back to the channel. Before I start, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed to my little channel. It really helps. I really appreciate it. And if you're new around here, why not drop me a subscribe? I really appreciate it. Anyway, I finally succumbed to the to tops. I thought, how am I going to get some decent cards? And I thought, I'll try a box. I mean, it means eating egg and chips for the rest of the week, but they're addictive. That's the thing. They are very, very addictive. So I thought I'd treat myself. Here we go. Yes, it's sealed down. I'll just open that up. Here we go. Okay. Now, hopefully, we should get some decent cards. Might even get one of these or these. I'd love that. I'd cry if I pulled that. Oh dear. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Nice big box. Oh, let's check this out. I love these. I do like these. Here we go. Available in store. Premier League Premium Trading Cards. Tops 2026. There we go. You see, oh. Very nice. Super stacked. Genuine auto cards. Yeah, well, we'll see. This is what I want. One of these. They look so nice. Diamond rookies. I don't care who it is. I just like to find one. Really nice. Okay, here we go. Not messing about here. Gonna pull them all out and rip them all up. Okay, that's for me rubbish. Woo. Got 28 28 boxes here. Boxes, cards. I'd love 28 boxes actually. Here we go. 28 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. Yeah, that's what you get in the news agents, one of these. Lovely. Okay, here we go. I'll try not to be too long. And let's open the first pack. Yeah. And we start off with a Gel Perot. We have Romedian Mundo, Bukayo Saka. We have a Danny Welbeck. We have headlines, Emilio Martinez. We have breakthrough baller, Lewis Miley. We have attackers. That looks nice. Matt O'Reilly. We have a green, Ryan Gravenberch. We have Alison Becker, Jacob Ramsey. Now, what I'm going to do is parallels. I'll just sort these out. Actually, I'll put it on pause for a second. Okay, guys, so we're back in. And here we go. Carry on. Ooh, that's a nice one. We have Brentford. We have Sanderbird, Bruno Gomares, Pedro Porro. We have headliners, Jacob Murphy. That's a nice one. Headliners there. We have Pro Partnership for Wolverhampton Wanderers. We have Stefan Petrov, Retro Threads 2006, 2007. Whoops. And we have Phil Foden and Ryan Yates. I have dropped one on the floor. Excuse me a minute. And the blue one I dropped on the floor was a nice Anton Semenyo, blue parallel. Put that with green. Okay. Next pack. We start off with Thomas Suchek, Lucas Perez, Tim Ergabum, Harrison Murray Campbell, Beast Mode Enzo Fernandez. We have Tekers, Anthony Elanga, Full Force Gasco Vardiol. We have a yellow Anthony Elanga, and we have Lisandro Martinez and Jose Sarr. One for you. On there. Tekers, Beast Mode, and Base. Okay. Joe Rondon, Bournemouth, Patrick Bamford, Pro Precision, Generation Now, Dominic Sabuzasly. We have Josh King, Breakthrough Baller. Hey, lovely jubbly. We have our Chrome King we've been waiting for, Dwight York. Spin round for Brian and Burmo on the blue parallel. We have Alexis McAllister and John McGinn. There we go. Generation Now. Where are we? There's quite a few of these. I'm Breakthrough Baller. Wondering where to put them. There we go. Okay, next pack. I think I'll have a tidy up in a minute. Okay, and we start with Anthony Patterson, Roman Dixon, Gabriel Martinelli, Georgiano Rutter. We have a beast mode of Virgil van Dijk. Just a normal. We have Tekers of Noni Madueke. I have Eric Cantona on the Retro Threads 93-94. We have a green rookie, Siku Kone. And we've got Adam Wharton and Erling Haaland for the base. That's better. Okay, here we go. See all my pulls now. Uh, Matthias Jensen. We have Emil Smith Rowe. We have Dan Burn. Lucas Bergvall. We have Danny Welbeck on the Pro Precision. I have Full Force, Aaron Wan Bissaka. We have a Breakthrough Baller, Harry Gray. Very nice. And on the yellow, we have a Destiny Udogi. And Anthony Alanga and Emmanuel Ugarte. Okay. We have Nicholas Fulcru, Marcus Edwards, Enzo Fernandez, Ryan Christie, Diego Jota, and Wang Hee-chan. And for the headliners, we have Kevin Shard. Very nice. And for Newcastle, we have Pro Precision. got that one already. Generation Now, Matt O'Reilly, and a nice blue Purvis Estepinian. Okay, we have Ethan Ampadu, Dennis Shirkin, Martin Odegaard, Yoon Do Young, Crystal Palace badge, Morgan Rogers on the base. We have Morgan Rogers Beast Mode. We have Archie Gray on the Breakthrough Baller. We have Gary Neville on the Retro Freds 95-96. And we have Marshall Monesti. What number's that? What we got there? That is 89 of 150. That's nice. Put that up. Lovely. Here we go. Next one. We start off with Mark Flecken, Adama Traore, Lewis Smiley, Brennan Johnson, Ola Anna, and Rodri, all on the base. And on the Pro Precision, Bruno Fernandez. Pro Precision, where are you? And on the Full Force, we have Vitaly Mikalenko. And we have Christian Norgard for Brentford there on the Retro Threads 21-22. Good one. And a nice blue rookie parallel here, Harrison Murray Campbell. Okay, next one. And we start off with West Ham United badge. And then we have Luca Colliosho, Jared Brathwaite, Robert Sanchez, Ryan Ait Nuri, and Anthony Alanga, and Andre Onana. I've got tongue tied there. And Beast Mode, Dominic Solanke. And just a normal one. We have Joe Bellingham, Generation Now. Very nice. Don't think I've got that one of them yet. Oh yeah, there it is. And we have a pro partnership for Arsenal. And we have Jared Bowen on the yellow parallel. Okay, next packet. We have Leeds player. That is Daniel James. We have Daniel Ballard, Yango Quatara, Gabriel Magalhaes, Eddie Nketiah, and Eric Consa. We have Taiwo Omanyani, Pro Precision. We have Full Force, NASA Jiga. We have Aaron Lennon on the Retro Threads, 19-20. And we have a nice Lewis Hall there, green parallel. Okay, we're nearly halfway through. We have Cody Gapco. We have Sepp van der Berg. We have Lewis Dunk. And from behind, we have Omar Mamouche. And we have Romanese. We have headliners here. Jordan Pickford. Very nice. We have the Pro Partnership for Villa. We have Tekers. Ah, it's the one I've got already. Chrome King. Still, we'll put it up. Ain't that typical? Okay. Now, once I've opened this, we are halfway through. And we have Alex Iwobi, Alphonse Areola, Sven Botman, Will Lancashire. We have Ahmed, Morgan Gibbs White. And on the beast mode, we have Rodri. We have Jamie Spitzbit Carragher, 2005 2006. We have Levi Colwill. Very nice. I like that one. Generation Now. And we have Beto on the blue parallel. Okay, so that's halfway through. I'll try and be quicker. Here we go. And we're starting off with Dan Neil, Ryan Gravenberch, William Saliba, Bart Verbruggen. We have Tyreek Mitchell and the Aston Villa badge. And here we have Dango Quattara, Pro Precision. We have Generation Now, Gabriel Martinelli. Very nice. We have Full Force, Josh Cullen. Every time I think it's going to be a parallel, and it's not. And for Sunderland, we have Dennis Sirkin on a nice blue parallel. Okay. We're starting off with Keen Lewis Potter. We have the Fulham badge. We have Lewis Hall, Son Heung-min, Bernardo Silva, and Lacroix on the base. Here we have Beast Mode of Hannibal. Beast Mode. Here we go. We have Pro Partnership, Manchester United. Yay, Super Frankie Lampard. There he is. 2004 to 2005. Love that one. Blue parallel of Callum Hudson-Odoi. Here we go, next one. Got my fingers crossed. Oliver Scholes, Hannibal, Everton, Noni Medawiki. We have Joshua Zirksey and Callum Hudson-Odoi on the base. And then we have Pro Precision, Brennan Johnson. Generation Now, Milos Kerkez, Full Force, Gustavo Nunez. Whee, that's a nice one to get. And we have the Manchester City badge in a lovely yellow parallel. Lovely, like that one. Here we go again. We have Jaden Bogle, Joe Bellingham, Luis Siniestra, Ethan Wani. We have Martinez, Munetzi, Marshall Munetzi on the base. And then we have a Beast Mode, Huang He Chan. I've still not hit one yet. It's crazy. And we have Pro Partnership, Tarkovsky and Braithwaite. We have a breakthrough baller, Andre. That's a nice one. I like that one. And we have Dejan Kulusevski on the blue parallel. And we're up again. We start off with Dominic Szoboszlai. We have Carvalho. We have Minter and Alexander Isak. We have Jeremy Doku and Roman Eze. And we have Mohamed Kudos on the Pro Precision. We have Ian, right. That's a lovely one. I was looking forward to getting that one. That's from the 80s, isn't it? Oh, 95, 96. Wow. Showing me age. We have Lucas Bergvall, Generation Now. And we have a nice blue Areola for West Ham. We start off with Anderson, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, who's this? And Antonin Kinski for Spurs. Oh, he's a rookie. Nice. James Tarkovsky, Kobe Mainu, Nikola Molenkovic on the base. We have a nice Crystal Palace Pro partnership there. We have Cody Gapco in the headlines. We have Luca Coliosho. Very nice. Ready for a baller. And we have, that's nice, Harvey Barnes. That's lovely. And what number do we have? It is, I can get a nice close up of it. 72 of 99. That's beautiful, that one. Really like that one. Gorgeous. Up you go, Harvey. Okay. And the beat go gone. We have James Trafford, Patrick Bamford, Levi Colwill, Milos Kerkez, Kanate, and Jurgen Strand Larsen on the base. We have a beast mode of Jorginho Rutter. We have a full force of John McGinn. Full force. And we have the generation now of Somerville, West Ham. Generation now. And a nice blue parallel there. Okay. Chris Rigg, Hampson Armstrong, on stand in. Jean Paul Van Hegel, Ismail Assar, Matty Cash, all on the base. And for the Pro Precision, we have Mikhail Damsgaard. For Techers, we have Louis Diaz. And Pro Partnership, Foden and Silva. Nice Martinez on the yellow parallel. Here we go. Coyote, Sandro Tonali. A bit different, has come up early. We have Anderson and Igor Gonzalez on the base. And here we have Beast Mode, Chris Wood. No, just normal. We have Stan Collymore. We have a breakthrough baller of Chris Rigg. Whoa! That's the one I wanted. Chrome King Sergio Aguero. Oh, fantastic. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. And we have a Josh Laurent rookie card on the blue. We have Lukic. We have Mohamed Kudus, Molly Moore, Chelsea badge, Wolverhampton Wanderers badge, Marcus Delete on the base. And on the pro position, we have Wayne Rooney. On the full force, we have Joe Linton, just normal. We have a Chelsea pro precision, a nice green Jesco Vardio. Lovely parallel. Okay, we're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. Don't leave yet. I'm nearly there. Connor Roberts, Brendan Aronson, Tyler Adams, Kai Havertz, Onana. Yeah, I'm gonna do Onana. Connor Bradley, all on the base. We have headliners, Jeremy Doku. We have Matteo Joseph, Generation Now. Got that there. Oh, that's nice. Haven't seen that one. We have a pro partnership for Bournemouth, Guattara and Semenyo, and a nice Brennan Aronson on the blue. For Leeds, we're back in. Here we go. Just had a little tidy up. We're back on track. Sunderland, Wissa, Zimmer, Harvey Barnes, Vardiel, and Chris Richards on the base. And, oh, this is a new one. Beast Mode, Ledley King. Not seen that one before. Surprise, surprise. It's not a parallel. Oh, that's a nice one. Glenn Murray. What year was that? 2018-19. Very nice. We have a breakthrough baller of Patrick Dorgu. Very nice. Like that one. And we have Yuri Tielemans on the blue parallel. Okay, final three packs. Final three packs now. And we have Josh King, Maximilian Kilman, Archie Gray, Beto. We have Nico Williams. That's it for the base. We have a Pro Precision of Beto. We have a Generation Now of Enjoy. We have a Full Force of Mickey Moore. And we have a Golden Lion of Ao Tanaka. Yeah, let me put that one. Just put that one there. There we go. That's our first Golden Lion there. Penultimate pack. And we have Josh Brownhill. We have Grieve, Enjoy, Jackson, Virgil van Dijk, Andre on base. We have Pro Precision, Kai Havertz, Full Force, Zabarini. We have Tekers, Savio or Savino. We changing his name again. And for Wolves, we have Nelson Semedo on the yellow parallel. And this is the last pack, guys. This is the one. Okay. We have Bashir Humphries. We have Matteo Joseph, Pedro Neto, Justin Cliver, Totti Gomez, Bruno Fernandez on the base. We have a beast mode, Declan Rice. Is this going to be the one? No, no. We have Techers, Kevin Shard. We have Andrew Johnson, Crystal Palace, 2004 2005 on the retro threads. And last but not least, we have Bruno Guimaraes on the yellow parallel. Yeah. Okay, so here's our best polls. We have one gold lion. We have three Chrome Kings, Zola, York, and Sergio Aguero. We have a very nice Harvey Barnes, numbered parallel, number 12. Love that. And for Wolverhampton Wanderers, Marshall Munetsi. And that one was 89 of 150. Yes, so definitely the best two in the box. Lovely. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it went on a bit long, but these sort of things do, don't they? But I'll see you soon. I'll get some more cards to open. See if we can pull anything half decent this time. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye for now.